Welcome back to Dagryffyn Hobby. My name's Dave, and it's now time for yet another $20 train show haul. Another $20 train show haul? You've got to be kidding me. Dude, spend some money. No, seriously. I really enjoy the challenge of going and spending only 20 bucks. It's not easy. There were definitely a number of really nice engines that I would have liked to come home with. There was a very nice 226E that would just look so nice on my layout. But I'm thinking maybe next season that will be my item to look for. But for now, I'm just enjoying going to the different shows, seeing what's out there, comparing some items and prices, and seeing what I can find for 20 bucks. It makes it fun and not too expensive. So what did I get this time? Oh, wait. So where is this haul from? It's from the Brick Train Show in Brick, New Jersey. What's the first item I got? This K-Line Pensy boxcar. Nothing particularly special about it. It was a couple bucks. I like the look of it. It's a Pensy car and it'll fit very nicely with these post-war cars back here. Unless, of course, it's too light and derails, but we'll find that out later. So everything else I picked up is Marks. Marks is interesting because it can be expensive or really cheap, and there's not always a lot that distinguishes between the two other than what the person selling them is asking for. Now, none of this stuff is in great condition, but I don't care. I'm pretty excited. Have they been messed with? Are they a little goofy? Yeah, maybe, but check this out. Nice Marks engine and tender. The engine's neat, it's obviously been repainted. I'm not too concerned with this engine particularly. What I wanted was the mechanism. I want to maybe fit it into one of my other Marks shells. So run it like this, maybe I'll change it up. It also could go back and forth between a few, but I was pretty psyched to find this. And it runs, which is even better. It needs a servicing, but I put it on the track and it just zipped around. So that's always nice when something just works. To go along with this engine and tender, there's this caboose. Another nickel plate road piece. So this tender and caboose are the only Marks pieces I have that are this size. Like I said, everything else is smaller. But what else did I get? Because this, I'm not done yet. Just because I got one boxcar, an engine, a tender, and a caboose does not mean I spent 20 bucks yet. What else was there? Well, a couple more Marks cabooses. Yes, I've got both of those already. I've got a number of the all red New York Central 556 cabooses, but I also need parts. So that will either get cleaned up or used for parts. Either way, doesn't matter. What else? Because I'm not done yet. To round out the $20 that I spent, there's 1, 2, 3 Marks tankers. Parts, use them as is, doesn't matter. I'm pretty psyched to have these. And 20 bucks for all this and this boxcar, I call this definitely a win, because usually when I spend 20 bucks and I have an engine and some other stuff, the engine doesn't work very well. And like I said, this one works pretty well. It's a little weird, it's a little wobbly and a little wonky, but I don't care. So some of the stuff will stay as is, some of it is project, but either way, 20 bucks netted me a pretty decent setup here. So let's throw this on the rails and see how it looks. have not serviced this set yet. I just bought it yesterday and put it on the track, and it's running pretty well. All the cars could use a little tweaking, as is normal for these older Marx cars, and the engine certainly could use a service, but for 20 bucks, I got this train set, 2 more cabooses, and a K-line boxcar. So I think this might be my favorite $20 train show haul yet. As you can see, it's got the automatic reversing unit in it. So far, it seems to be working pretty well. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next time on D.A. Griffin Hobby.